So now for this page, what I need to do is write it in sigma notation. So I need to take this sequence and turn it into look like this. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a sigma. I have a choice. I can use an n or a k. I'll use n because that's what we're used to. I'm going to consider my first term. I could make it my fifth term. But if I'm going to make this my fifth term, then that should be 6, 7, 8, 9. That should be my 10th term. But for simplistic sake, I'm going to make this my first term. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is saying you're going to go from the first term to the sixth term. Now all you have to do is find the formula. So you have to decide right now if it's arithmetic or geometric. So I see it's arithmetic, plus 3, plus 3. If it's arithmetic, I use the arithmetic formula. If you see the trick and you know that zero term, you can get the answer right away. First term, n minus 1 times 3, 3n minus 3, plus 4, 1 plus 3n. Some of you saw that already. So then you're literally going to go 1 plus 3n. And that's all you do. Okay. I don't think this is difficult. What's difficult is knowing what to do for each question. Once you know what to do, the process itself isn't that complex. Number 2, I want to write it in sigma notation. First thing I'm going to do is create a sigma. I'll go n equals 1, and I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. Now I have to do the formula. Decide if it's arithmetic or geometric. It's times 3 times 3, so I know it's geometric. Then I write the geometric formula. First term, the ratio is 3 to the n minus 1. I don't really want to put that 1, so I'm just going to go 3 to the n minus 1. Okay. The third one, sigma notation. N equals 1. I can use a k, but n seems easier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. I need to decide if it's arithmetic or geometric. It's times 1/2, negative 1/2, times negative, wait a minute, yep, times negative 1/2. So that's my ratio. So now I do the geometric formula, a sub n equals a1, r to the n minus 1. I like this one because most of the work is done for me. So don't distribute that. That is your answer. 1/2 to the negative 1/2 n minus 1. Again, I don't think this is difficult. It's going, hey, when you see this, do you know it's got to look like that? And do you know where everything's supposed to go? One more, sigma notation, make my sigma. I'll do a k this time to make it interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to find the sum of the first 8 terms. Decide if it's arithmetic or geometric. It's arithmetic, minus 2 minus 2. Some of you know that zero term is 19, but I will show if you don't know what I'm talking about. First guy, n minus 1 times the pattern. Distribute. 19 minus 2n. But here's the thing. I decided to use a k this time. Since I decided to use a k, I'm going to have to make sure I do a k here. This is why I usually just stick to n. That's the second part. Done.